Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are actually working on a project for a customer. This is a senior customer and we're taking out two of the Loropetalum bushes. And while Loropetalum can be beautiful and there are many different varieties, these two happen to be ones that grow and grow and grow. And if you're familiar with Loropetalum, you know how that goes. It's a constant maintenance. And so we're going to be removing these two, drilling some holes in the stumps, and then adding the product that I like to use, and I'll show you that to you later, to kill out the stumps. And she's going to plant flowers around it. But let me show you these two. All right, so here's the first Loropetalum. It does hide her AC unit, and she does have this one a little smaller, but has decided to take it out. And let's see the other one. And here's the other Loropetalum. As you can see, this is much larger, and this has just become too much for her to keep trimming all the time. So she wants some easy maintenance. So going to get the chainsaw and start taking these out. So I've gotten both bushes down and I am getting ready to put in stump killer, but I wanted to show you what I'm using for that and how I go about it. So let's see. So I have my drill with a small drill bit. We're just going to put in a couple of holes through here. This is a succulent watering container, and I just pour it in. And it's time for a new one. This one's completely broken at this point from being in the truck, but I'm gonna hope it works. Yep. And then just fill up the holes that we just drilled. And I usually do this twice. And that's it. And I'll do this on the other side for the other one, and this will kill the stump and we don't have to worry about anything else. The homeowner is going to plant irises here and just keep it nice and simple. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you get a chance to enjoy your garden today. Until next time, bye.